In this week's video, they take the camera and they're doing a little road trip.
Hello friends! So I thought I'd just explain our little adventure here that I took with the boys. We took a little road trip and we went to visit Mount Vernon, Ohio. We went to a really neat park called Ariel Park, and we saw a dog water fountain downtown that I saw on the internet a few times. I wanted to go see in person. So that's our adventure and I hope you enjoy it. We're here at Ariel Park. And I had the boys with me today, and the boys are doing this. So apparently it is a old smokestack, and they took some of the old steel works and made some cool like artistic things with them. There's some old parts of the building. Okay, it looks like the boys, if you can see them, they're right up there. They've made it to the top.
We're at the top and this is our view.
And here's a little bit more of historic information about smokestacks that you guys would like to read. Did you like it? You gotta tell me all about it. Probably about 4 stories up. So you gotta press a button, one person at a time goes in and out. So it's like a fake river.
So at the top of this one mound over here at this park, there's these big steel beams stuck in the ground here. You can see a view of the whole park from up here.
From where we were at, up top where the red steelworks were at, we saw some water. And so we thought we'll walk down here and check this out and see what it's like. Okay, this looks maybe like a walking path. Goes around the pond, I'm guessing. What a really cool place. Okay, so I'm thinking you probably go around and then you cross the bridge and there's another bridge and maybe you go around, but this is huge. I mean, it goes really big around, and there's also like a divider in between. There's a boat over there and they have all these beautiful trees. So pretty, so beautiful. are in downtown. We thought we'd check out this fountain, water fountain with these cool dog statues. Well, that's it, friends. That's the whole video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't hit like or subscribe yet, I hope you do that, and we will see you on the next one. God bless you.
Well, if you've enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and hit that like button if you haven't done so already. And while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We put out new videos every week, every Friday morning. And if you'd like to receive notifications when we do upload the next video, hit that notification bell. And check out our channel. We have several videos just like this one or very similar. We do various things including hiking, biking, boating, fishing, builds of various kinds, mostly outdoor activities. Some homesteading is thrown in there as well. Thank you. We'll see you on the next one.